agus fáte hiic na seanslaí mas maiileh seansa loú glaciad na seanslaí agus me sé Hugh me go lechaide arás le an seo in the containment zone mar gohfuil COVID-arm Tá intainta sin mar is féidir bheith eáil ar an fís ach tá buhíos le dia tá jabbalta phodchraoladh go fáil I dhéanú go fíoril níimiid tí stúdíon teach an seo le sa bháil ach mars gra tá man seo lemid cólaachí lemid cairde ar dúspáire aine Áine tíir tú.
Ínta tá ínta as na bhfuir me COVIDút an chatan tegaite níos go dé dóin na bhfuir me a tá ínta buíoch.
Ní hiige mé, cos ní bhóim sin ar Harvey agus
Dan tú ma hack trí in éile.
Yeah. Agus bhí mu a seamar bug le cheile agus bhí mu an gar le cheile, do you know what I mean? So can't bheith an gar le cheile, tá seo le James a Fáilte. James, tíir tú.
Oh, come on, yeah. Can't complain. So, yeah, Rudy go me anger anyways, you know. Falls after women, falls after booze, post nua.
I know.
Come on, Rodo, what a loser for COVID in 2023.
I was gonna say.
Look, agus a rud is massa is that ní bheith is sugum aha wein gur chum machara castarm anstant test that was literally the only reason go sugum mar bhí má dul hig kosher agus machara bogu go America agus bhí genuinely kosher more or whatever solar dag shot and he was like here listen any to anstant just solar chain so ní bheith arm self-isolating nar a chain sheer go America or shots go calling a flight to our COVID. And I was like, no bother at all. Agus my Harvey Lewis, we met literally quick moment with dawg jassiga. And I was like, oh fuck, ring my German than Anthony yenu. Asher Jenima agus just Shawty man poctoriga. The already mall. So I was like, Asher Jenima and Shawty man poctor just so that he's at ease. So her ma Swiss Macron mar rinwich blianti fada hun, trí vliana hun. Jesus Christ. Agus her ma Suas agus Hannick Shama agus be Lena Bugum. And I was like, no way. That's okay. Kaisha go Shaw false positive or whatever. And then ring Marish Canella agus Yak and Jarfa. I was raging. Absolutely raging. So then the arm Ni Wang a lacha textile. Ach shivsha textile faster agus ahaming a walkama in Aliv agus main shin.
Shin galore dini.
I'm telling you.
Didn't want.
Arish. Have to clarify Nero Mayor Kunya. We've discussed this.
And after na garag muchin vi tu dol bud leis an galín seo. Inch the vinny cadéir into laliation leis an galín seo. Agus
no.
Ma cheapun éidirne go bod tada ach dáta. Tá a mohas go mas maur tagi and just come on
Nero which is dollar kunya near thing be ein rod fi kunya it was just that you much can't fi lower shop leor kailo and I live Charlie Byrne Haru Machon cliche is third cheap kaite dolly Charlie Byrne agus there much here came for agus a diet to sugar carbon especially James came for nach yeah much book swap the road agus yo much lower that's agus yo to your do sit and then put him a Swiss like coffee or whatever. Sort of chemo wallet. So she know the nerd man or need sort of whoever asking but just as a totally normal, cordial, she just wrote the yan and dingy and their wounds to the hella Mars Carthon Kedder is put in Swiss like the Laurel and then better finds in Bale.
No, show the and dini is scan and Grá.
Yeah. Should film really romantic comedy really done it.
No! No! Oh, Malashka!
Near Michidi of a Charlie Burns of Udawan. I should more woman. Thought some Kitashahan. Laura. I know cost my level, but still.
Come on, the Charlie Burns class. I guess good knock us galu the humor. We should like Charlie Byrne there.
Yeah.
I can apostrophe S occurring, Jared.
Oh gosh! Well, sorry, Charlie Byrne shouldn't a lead character. Shouldn't a lead character in CU Byrne. So shouldn't have flag girl.
Can lower fuck the
So fuck ma how to lose a friend in 10 dates. No fuck ma fuck misha Kitchen Confidential Anthony Bourdain mar gurbéisisin cin den nóirí is fearlam Rio.
Ceam guess go bhfuil siúte.
Yeah, go on, guess.
Gajay for she.
Well, that's again, but could you where she does to James?
How to get out of the friend zone.
Look, James, and you're where she do. Actually, first she scanning to it. She's just not that into you.
Ring she impossible for she DVD at Charlie Burns.
Yeah, I tell you. Look, dreams can happen. No, for Mr. Shin, and fully knowing chance not may Simiki Silor because it's like based on real life and very much I think own vibe of your country. I'm really digging myself a hole here. Oh, the whole much. Onikela, I don't think mission and steal your go Simiki. But sure, look, much we'll see.
Tanner shall he margar fioctu mahe.
Yeah, well, it was a honeymoon phase for Loher, so she could malha anyways.
Yeah.
Bunch of Kevin letter Airshi. Oh, you know, I'm dating a home with Charlie Burns. Yeah, the lower fucking shite.
I think the Grá they're doing honeymoon phase and thing a kind of a law, like kind of a Shulamach law.
Nero Muzik Kunya. He's saying to the Harlan.
Well, inch it or this part could you be on agus.
Be an so-called not a kunyu, be she 3 or click. We miss see swali because the mommy era will to chat to Ali Amar Biglua. We should go journey and just let bussa. We're in taxi out of Walia.
Yeah, because we miss chill for snaps way Áine or nach the small post. The email sagt am Hugh. The email camera go to email. Camera go to email.
You're telling na me how to think.
They're mission shit. They're chip shit lumps or this part Gurmina Maya Mum agus dad leveco imni boom. Tá mai interessaste go.
Vi mo birthday couple shaft noch and tá mo chrí fall challenge. There's that. So the rotation on could ask him, right?
Mission 27.
Yes. 27 ish.
Mission 27.
That's 27. You know, did I hear you? It's coming close to the end.
Mission 27. I'm just going to see we're full 0% effective as I get chat right.
How much update again? But well, Sean's mission is fair and just go to Nishin. Addition of 5 beyond. I mean, Vision of 5 beyond's go to dawg. Anyway, so off the topic.
Yeah.
And I'd rather do lumps is nach main amach craic because and thing you saw if you ma bulus Swiss law and more and Steve Curjul party ni fan and chi mach raw wall agus you know the agus I guess the whole there's a whole class and good dan chi mach ginger you know I just can't help it. I'm amazing.
You mean the on chemistry co-class?
Níor mis sé rug fi chemistry. Han na mis all the la shave the anish where there's nowhere the chemistry color shot.
Fireworks.
But I wish
love is in the air.
Look, Hugh, ribbon knowledge.
Love is in the air.
Has to the Colin shot. Vi mis Áine agus this on. Vi she on. Vi mu the keys. Agus vi bursagi can't fui. But on ban the kyo na chola 8 billion duine eile downfaoi a choháin an birdsagaí agus bhí sam ar a buinte mí mis lerá tá routines job tá just
so but okay come sure think that so Hugh's kind of a dog.
I'm a dog.
So you're intimated to judges, right? But it can't be hella we wish we le macharde agus
No.
Oh, free birth cards do to like go to bonus usla agus vi.
Yeah, birch car on school. Ní me go garshin the gonna le dinna go like ní smó cos ní ach me blinti. As Honey Hugh shaderna he she's snacklish and galinja. Agus near lower character who lived in a Vienna the ní hilig. And it was like, oh my god, you know this manga director? Oh my god, he's like my favorite director on the planet. Oh my god, you know him? No, nobody knows him. And they had the connection aku as Laura she'd knee leg near Laura she'd the dinner be like a tabla if you like ukter a tabla. It was like go she'd it doin suku hain. So yeah, you need a killer. The birch cara different at that ugum.
You see this like Tomisha portrayed at a phodchraoladh show. Mar on trochone. Ní mis sé can éon banna bhí seo Tá mis sé mar angel beganis agus Hugh Tá dochud friggin dahanna spáint níos tíach
dawg
Hold on a second. dúsfuire, right? Dúsfuire. I didn't even know could James about cosint behind there's attacks come small angle. Dúsfuire, the courage of women Swiss law and the Hishin. I guess we just see some pub here and actually Groma and here revision faster le the Hara.
Yeah. Hug sé Bert Collins a ge gan nach céna
No, hug tis iad an sin. Hug tis iad an sin. Darnarod. Darnarod, fi mis can le fucking ahannin, if you gimmer jenga le cheile agus bhí am toy.
Yeah, Beckers gimmers. Bin nach leit in the gas ar an leinte seo, gimmers jenga. Oh, Hugh. Oh, that do good done.
They're all tumbling down, hey. They're all
You were fitting in her blocks.
Oh my God. Jesus. No, Caibh no, the gypsy occur Eva Armsonish, and it's Nisha Fear Arby, who my Swiss la dinye la hai Johanny Cargill or in Cadine. Bhí má cansa duine a ro na simí cearna agam ar an Jardín agus sinné and then bhuamas was le duine ar le duine le book swap cardúil a dhéanú ar an líne, you know, sinné. I wish go raibh an seal a cheapan sibse bhfuil agamsa. I wish go raibh an seal sin agam where I was just like a Lefario ag dul heart, not ní an aon chóir.
But is bralum sort an Eva go to turtanish go roche go homeland innocent as nahwil a gender be agut, but tas go mai that gasa dinner than the coalition heart here she'd like shift me you're to say sure thing 5 or V Jenny med your condition so now we linketr
on ulterior motives.
Yeah, exactly.
Go to
Ra not vocaid.
Of course.
Just cards in shaw. Cost of temple. But you know, if it were to happen, and then go to Stachlin Pogue. Hugh, I've seen your game, man. I see you.
James, I learned from the best.
Okay, because that's in wrangle away.
Oh my God. Well, Anish, now that you've got all your excitement out, there was literally Suller Hospital just happened shot literally throughout my life. I was like, what a cat in fun you shot. Could you got a ray?
Well, Sheila Mieller now will James and Dulles na Cailíní agus mission over, so you know we're bored, so we're just when he starts find him off he do heal. Yeah, we're just start sprinkling the mess up heart in it do heal.
We should get a segue into Russia.
Oh, lead the hall.
Tascum care day.
No,
one date go Hugh cost like date. Gonchig in bookshop. Tá should tre seachtainí a chaha Ilan. And more hosta on Spawn where the Tomsha is South Africa. Ach tá should body bookshop on fecal agus is going to page agus will you be my girlfriend gifted agus cos looking as Love Island.
Just a ra it kind your heel gra or should darker Love Island.
Nah, it's not the same. Nah, definitely no, we shouldn't watch see shouldn't fire gabe
real me
in a fire gabe James fire in the segways agus
real me
that's 3 segways in Kimmy season something.
Quick
60%.
Look, 6% of the time it works every time. Where they're your man. But Ty Love Island ration Scal and Arish and Mesha Gurker and was a Gurker Hannafant and Ked chatting Harvard Genta and Sheelam.
Yeah, ihe Genta Karotu.
How much to chat more in Áine?
Not before have
you're letting this as if now capping ahanning your Asian la shaw go majing a musketig and neofoger mod
Jenny can bio
ahan the watching we are not near shaw rave half of there or hard
right.
So
Maradu's the dictator Aladdin
Jeremy should reach so tan Cad shocking Harvard Ray not will Áine.
Oh yeah, we make Arker and chat in the leg.
Flawless. Ní bhéigh aon duine. But tá sé bheith cumada níos sibh dú hing dá Love Island go fáil le ní cohvéid Sraith dáis.
Just like ní se cos le ceanna saoire like.
No.
Tá sé off like. I think freisin méall. Is saoir aibann sin ní seoir, mar níd really aon sport in atá a chanéad. So need aon like distractions on. So they just kinda invested in just Love Island. Whereas a raid bhí cluthe Liverpool is man like tá má after women who really get brenner telly le mrá alling nó brenner crowdlads when you're talking football. Crowdlads can talk football would kind of do me then enough now.
Tá sé sort grúma meallar nar can do a ri givri tá tú gar I'm sure gas ach tá sé absolutely grana an seo. And when tá tú gar ri tauri tá sé fós geal team we need like whole grúma archer. So ní current sort like ní ma sonnig archer and tam se dúlin. At my fós go archer and you know the chaser like
they're just aid and donarth just a garker in the Medini Shaw a instant Ashni Gall to Shaw bun sultas and chas agus you know. I think and yet how James and yet had to Love Island.
Look like ní soft that Love Island like look that's a fact like, the Dini's that down like you know it's
James they're my card leg go too hot
and there's the card sin fluency faster and they're not any in particular
you're a dog
you're a dog
supposed to court the compliments
leve garfui Hoing Love Island. Yeah, 100%. Now to just go for fame we call you like is what man an go seach cos Greg O'Shea or 2FM agus job asa. Beside the point.
That's actually Abelta a Bruce man.
Oh,
that's why she's my girl. She's my girl. Ruth is like like oh yeah, grand. But imagine if I had a Shrasha, right? So do you see she's the no, to do hearsach shacht, to do she's bollen to on the lads to take a dús. And then shooting fucking Maya Jama stach. Kichi would do gappy soon who was that ain banelle. Who was the
Shinna heal me, Shinna miss sweet to her. Because we must sweet you near Hugh she stop. Sure clearly na lads gershin din the economy ta shas villa. Where need she go hand agus that she knew mar lahor agus she class near Hugh she sta and Katie has dirty de la he dirty the ota to dark absolutely gone. But she gone like
I'd say machas chulvan bill the Iriva Love Island. What she mar every here. She ridiculous. Ní fair. Agus sinna fá ní ma go brand more on that Mirna because to my after women agus chi just raw distracting.
Just be art Éist
come a cadike na hoster.
Be art Éist le album or Stormzy James because literally no dumb one is just asking being like oh I missed my ex you know or you know I love my
trust
ex.
Me on orange and emo playlist. Come on. Look, fi mis queen is an orange and orange.
And yeah, because ta Virgin Media ag genu Grá Ar An Trá ta sinna
Yes.
Bin agus golle a mé durinty for my fucking tag at the version like fuck.
Vi me hens Hugh kind for shot and con earths chursha a danium.
So na ní art ein over yen. But in 5 though, and 5 is ta hanya full Mari Gaelic. So James B. Arthur Car art not Gaelic actually all right actually never mind much all right too much card.
But imagine like it took a band that came as like kilowatt ton cheese like shit. Gachul too.
Well,
fucking daughter to me fucking daughter so no.
Man shock on learn all Gaelic
But yeah, Lauren James, current James Nurchin Folkley Berlish that could be to check Lauren Gaelic, so Shans she'd not go Gaelic.
I think you're failing Yannick. I think you're failing.
Yeah.
James their own bird chugging solely their own bird chugging a genuine Claire. Like though Chanis and Shane.
Hey,
like
look cute. I'm not gonna fucking side pieces that's in this free Lauren. There's fucking
Ain't him. He's a dog, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, agus lessons by Stormzy and Oran fi Maya Jama agus be my gation.
Fi agad on hand. Vi tú rail.
You were like, keep on to Orange and eat. You were like, oh yeah, just go much my like dance me on the film. Yeah.
But a mééis a gurkur in chláir sin ar Grá Ar An Trá, you know, cos seans go mééis se Grá Ar An Trá agus an sin Love Island, you know, tíar in
I just go full mar I gweige tá se.
Sí me go bé, yeah, cos change think in Gaeltacht agus there's the Gary Fulham Gaelic agus iad an sin agus a Gary, you know, Grá am siúig an am cearna.
You know, so discrimination can all.
Sí me go bé, yeah.
Tá sé just cos le dul ag cuasa Gaeltachta so mar dhéag.
Basically, you're trying to
shiftal.
You almost did even course the girls like so just give us a
Hello.
chance. Like,
yeah, you weren't a chance. You were academy, you got a chance to show me wrong or Harvey. Sean blurb at our Virgin Media Tasha Ansimul. It's you know, the hunt is on for singletons looking for love for a brand new dating form, Grá Ar An Trá. Shooting this summer. This is the Gaeltacht like you've never seen it before. You don't know how I've seen the Gaeltacht. Yeah, let's look at second.
James like T Josie man.
T Josie man. I'm sounding fucking GA.
I've seen some shit.
GA Green Door man.
View Pulse. You know, fucking Limelight and Glanties, like, you know, Tasha leg. Size
bloody limelight.
Yeah, traumatized. Sorry, ní fun shit. Grá Ar An Trá will see singletons couple up and get cozy as they get to grips with the language and each other. Oh.
Was niet sure like the fair option suastini le gwelgodi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like mentors.
What? Sex mentors.
That'd be a reflection in a sort of power dynamic on after.
Yeah, actually, Badger. Yeah, actually, yeah, the rules have where the winter is that.
Like dinner Giannis or dinner.
It's like that road
no, not for him, but like the watch that date is more Fulham on. Like we should Fulham Gaelic like got a date like Gaelgod. Then what horrible is because like my just half Fulham on basically just understood their Merla, you know, can't trust them, you know.
Can imagine mates mo Gaelic a chur seanseo agus féidir I think like Chapamsa ar an drochuir nach féimeach ná é mar gur bás an although seans, you know, like níl na sunraí ar fád a muoich go fád. So Badger
early days.
Badger go méid ní ar an sé go fád.
Tá James is súile Ilan óán filé.
Jama Grom was imi ach gúnaí Talon you
I couldn't help
yes. Ring my glán germ with their shin. Oh my god.
Oh well, I'm just gonna get a fucking storms your ball.
What a throwback. Oh my god. Yeah, man.
I know, mine should go le blian to him.
Jesus. No, look, Matt him with
he hold the tad on the it was just a figment of my imagination.
Sure, look, if you think a wanger cunning because you don't think that's shouldn't died over Shama.
Hey, he was a look on, eh?
He was just look, Matt him with Yanu James and Yanu with and Gurmit to Shahar. Curry Mishish Irithis McCurrentis Shah Irithis.
Oh, Neem should go fucking Irithis. Not a fuck.
Curry to Shah Irithis. Yeah. Michigan is rubble them like you.
What does that give me stick in FM on a daily? Imagine a shot us Keanshin like fucking.
Yeah, but James, Tatuko like it's common at Kevin Dini. So and dinner furfa when you're Rud Marsha.
And it's look.
I mean, dinner furfa at a claw and then Rud.
She Hollywood bad boy Badger. Badger, bad boy James.
They break through because of Paul Meskin's been at it, you know.
Or Graham Norton.
Yeah.
Anakla Maya Jama.
Guaranteed
Isteach the flower Hugh also.
So I'm asking the GA shorts on when he was like so.
To change Krista, sorry. To what do you call it? Hitchin you might Criú. Ro Gramig the Naganer. Oh ha, yeah, I wish. No, vi ma dullas key agus dagmace chamra agus nish like done and it's gone all bronze hitching and like
cheap. You cheapskate, you're canny too arrogant if you're arrogant.
No, you're canny. Vishan high.
So cute.
No, Visha estate like inaka listen key or whatever. Like Visha like Vi canny was Shala high festus like Iahana. Like this was never meant to be a personality trait. Ahanish. Achtarlí and shit.
Imagine if they had a Graham Norton show though. Well, she definitely because I lose Capaldi or just actually nearing Ritkins.
No, bheith ha costal le Mark Wahlberger bheith ha wad rolta agus rather rudí le míceart.
Yeah.
Mars.
There's Lewis Capaldi on the journey. On Jamie Dornan.
Oh my god, Jack. Jamie Shoney was like, I'm not used to seeing you without a whip in your hand and a cock in mine. Like it's like That's taft like
fucking brilliant.
Tá sé taft.
That's a taft.
The
Michigan James Castle Lewis Capaldi, I think. Our good glórha chobain agus co glór gán tugging.
I was like, Calty don't let show too much cocos in Lewis Capaldi. I was like, but the raw go to like co-granner lesh because
Well, I mean, they're to say, and then you have dirt mishe, but I mean, my germ to say then.
Actually, a glorious for Lewis Capaldi. As was actually we must do some off for couple shaft noch and which I got like electric picnic. I can like Kill Sad, which I'm a fan of. So I actually released on Oran Canal Dancy.
Oh, Lewis Capaldi.
It released on the TikTok again. Go Canal.
During Chagoni, I hate like people still haven't figured out that I'm not a good songwriter.
Lewis Bocht.
I should just, that's an sin buint soltas a híl agus January good is.
They can't look again.
Yeah.
Mars carta.
As you want to glory into again.
It can't free January get to Kaim with your she's Kaim with we've been roasting each other in Tamer Father and Claire Shop, but Kaim cohort is all war rat. The jobs are a birch of my shit. Ooh, my shit.
My good mommy.
Sorry, this is a van of regro and New York grow my raw wall. Like Mr. Red cohort just know I'm mom now suddenly a reach. Come on.
Reversal of roles.
Reversal of roles. But yeah, no, to go to pass New York of Jimmer to follow right.
Well, níimiis tá go dtíon lún se thugann a tá mé súil go mór leis mar níomhfuil mé soltas gan postláán aimsir a bheith gom. Barlam bheith graithe as a general dagan agus, airgid a bheith gom. So, clear bunt eistí leis.
Can't relate to but because to go burla like Jay like a couple of me and she could punch
no should rud náhfuil crin. Tá mé déna glór sirober le critní me Susan Morol journal an aimsre. Tá mé bím graithe, bím an radios, bím an scríú was videos for can you block as an crack election. But ní rud a bhí an aimsre gom Yera mé itáisiil. So yeah, but sé jazz a ra roller.
Agus a monthly wage or a weekly wage
actually argid ceart a bheith bhóga argid an méid céine an bhí tas chun go déile bheith súil leis.
Agus careful to James this initiative the roller in the big boy job.
Yeah, big boy job. Yeah, so like husband Tasha right because go ma so far because one here son effig gun son effig sin vi mu go an fado nach Rome actually son effig agus
yes
e go le call vi ma gonig er go le so yeah intasá go man post agus yeah ma just really su a blin ma room like tá job like really exciting stuff like really super more like
Jamar tá se actually bheith mu an sin agus sa teamplat sin as hartar na hibrethe le geile seachas muid le bheith ar Zoom mar bhí se couple blian on.
Yeah, exactly. Like actually, like it was actually Ekel in person. Like it was like it made doing Jarate, like it was that's who actually Ekel finally should be wearing. Like I know, Khasman Obskasi like, but like actually Sanefig like check that not actually cost like holding at Zoom. It should be wearing like so. Yeah, it's like the first time I go on ball actually like, but it didn't miss the Khasman Sanefig like Taddy in it to be honest. So yeah, Jawani sure munches Sanefig now very.
So we'll get a bit like full circle nish because like we'll much like like snatching because I don't know why you came out that much were anime that
TG
Car.
James.
Oh,
TG Car.
the right go for the James go over TG Car.
Birthplace really Na Seansálaithe Huckla.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to go or identify birthplace. You were like, what am I?
Cara Harla shins the naughty. What? Look,
Catch the scales and then shut
look, it was fast and loose back in those days. Yeah. But no, that more a size full circle in their school to, you know, Hashi Mudge and Shaw or Hashi Mudge like Helen Shin to go over ration shin. Agus Neil this is raw this nothing heard and you will like Neil this is raw o teach car or will.
Could you take a shot? Oh,
as like physically, yeah, not like
he may grow to a cake father or create me my sus. As there may go to Hugh create me my sus and la cana. A lot,
we all got sacked at the same time.
We were not sacked, honey. Jerry Connery Sugrin.
Honey Jerry.
So ní me wat be me se lonnie her in spidgel le studio coon ach be me conru le TG Car mar chud den Rolshin so Sean go veki James as me hen a chéle go réalte as me mu gober a slá chéle so unexciting Lord of Asula.
Just kind of past that and we hin faster and then that
buddy.
Listen, I had shocking at the Virginia Jerry Taff. It's like Hugh to the Buggy or whatever, and I'm like, no. Yes, you're going to
Sheila manish Bader gomogi she mar ní ta fomo ernish saska go merch gonna gober kind of guard the chéile agus go vec muji chéile ní sé gi caiin truma or an crack so shads gomogi she.
No, what's that I could ask for?
I know you this gonna James. I fucking know you this gonna
Fuoin fucking belt that could ask Hugh. Agus num rá óchan gach se ihir on shunning tá se fáin áardhain neat rá teo ihir an na tíide agus sinna fábhééis a bugad go gáile mé a goin tena sé.
Wis go dé níháin na mrá atá caiúil ar Hugh bhí bud isisiúil óháil name poban hí bhuiile bhír agus hánig grúpa lads during si tar to seachtainiúil. Susa Hugh and they're are you not allowed from Joe.ie? As Hugh was like, I am, that is me.
No, and Rud Gajira a Harley was gosh just a Lacha shoes was and he was swinging shoulders like Visha really like Visha he was in a hurry whatever. I was just how she stand because Visha really like Gary he was really standing whatever like go down his him and him like Visha stand really and then Visha like you that fella from TikTok and it's like yeah she loved me yeah It's me
agus queen turgan funny junior educating agus vi skahan as our gore so vi mu job with ekal grown a lads show vi group of arter watch Cheshire lads as a lig glaku goes in casu heart le stan or click or cool the click and Hugh I was like you know denu elbows le chéile ration ma winne so do you know Tasha ahanta mask na fair mai ni one mar
Sinead Gajira, Sinead and Fag Goma Gary Bogu Gugaliev is to impress a load of 17-year-olds.
Your core following.
Yeah. For God's sake. No. Nyama Bogu Gugaliev Gafal. Yeah. Look,
Ni mind fucking no. Bidro said fucking like an ella.
False. Nisha Bogu false.
Yeah, Nyama Bogu Gafal. Yeah. Dim my head, Nyama Bogu Gafal. You know, Nyama Re Hawogin Gugaliev a Chiche. To just a rare Nia Seachtainí inish. So
what are you waiting for?
Go full Data session of a 3 bliana Data session.
Yeah. Be me hen is James flipping in my hair laugh we nam gunyan to can you book the value.
Wow.
Well, it's got a hard lag of winter on the wall.
Here. Fucking Karen the Galliv is hard. Karen the Galliv is hard larger than you Carua, so I don't know what you're
This Galliv of what's come cannot and yeah.
Oh my god.
But actually funny enough, like never thing is I was like we're gonna sound like a pig and it's like
yes
so no I was gonna shock a guy when he was oak like land almost car in the guy I was like ran almost hard like obviously bhfuil mo cholas a gáir mar seachtainí so rúising tá oh lovely tá ma engáile like tá ma gúna engáile even má tá a fócamáile like so yeah the getting cat.
But day out allward do say fast niece it Shach Galu was like oh my god with the dull Sus Galu with dull flipping Fat Freddy's the Junior. This is the best day ever. Like it was we had a deal allward those Shach car and Galu and la.
Níor me rion gáilh go ddí gur má dul gin opendéil ha NUIG sinna ceidir mar sin gáilh.
Jay Carla.
Gáilh like cear uras má haach.
How much a dear big bida? Let's go sin just she's a boher the Americani.
The Americani, yeah, well the Americani tapped, so in fairness.
Yeah, I thought like tá Hugh Canadian again you know in New York Bulls who's some more clear. Is that some would kind of Cali
the city lights, you know,
west side, you know,
west side
anything go home on that, yeah.
Crips and the Bloods howling
Tá Hugh fós it sort of rihinné and sort bring lunch in the Broadway who's a Mali clear, you know.
Oh my god
you know,
well look I'm pistol loaded boom boom
and pistol look shots are
one bullet bang bang shot fired huh.
Look, Nyama Bugagadiv, unless I get a text from someone saying you up. But anyway, our punches in.
Hey. So the takes in down Sherlock. Usually being too hard lad after the takes.
That you can text Hello James as my hand enough to go plug imagine you up.
Yeah, Shiv Kate my fanator. Anyway, I am not incriminating myself any further. With this madness so before I can broadcast these mo you know ruddy boom hain Gary le seo gur míle maigus the géist na seansla you reach te mas much Lance ar na man hosite tá much ar na seansla ar Instagram the seansla ar Twitter agus the seansla ar YouTube agus sigad eil an fish dar gut éí gáanta agus sigad eil ar Spotify inis notification ar Spotify so ní caiit even fiú dola YouTube céin fáil YouTube oking who knows tá mas Gary Áine amsúr the man hosite that he's more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or Twitter agus anywhere or TikTok is few arc and fish actually just away lahai and avocado Udi yeah
Udi sorry Udi. Mr. Goodooningal Udi
no it's
Udi not bad
Udi just take out the H out of hoodie
Udi yeah Udi
is Udi done
it's Udi Hoodie like hoodie.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna fucking phodchraoladh Chrissy. Gary James, I'm sure the man knows that Tashamar Flahertuck or Instagram Flahertuck or Twitter, I guess Flahertuck or Instagram. Neil Ain Udi or an am Shaw. Akshan Spedrin Kedra like Gamesha Kahu Udi Ganta. Agus with Gary Mahan am sure the man hosted them are Hugh Carr or Instagram, Hugh Carr here or Twitter, Agus just grab Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well Ain with like a image a fogunish solar chain which are before we go our merry ways.
Well we're showing chat and showing Sheenam, yeah, by Sholu egg radio rera.
Yes.
Jacadian Hogan in Arsenal.
No, it's
no, will maybe Kurt.
Aaron Cadla the me fiara. No, it's all right. Cadla the me fiara a sheachtainí in Arsenal Bay and you get James Leher genu panel question mark Badger who knows Bela Feckle ní bheith me sean more is dirty dub me so tá má go fáil Grammy is the car shot so ní bheith me se a leher but be any James on sipping tea and sharing confectionaries so must fan all war who on show and I know yous exist tar gars na gael ag sheachtainí na groupies are fáil tugging tar gars na gael ag sheachtainí or an cad la mi fiara agus be crack on the shawl
shouldn't get blah with James at Bushfu dry January
so kai to fun go back to nish that air stat yeah an air a ben coffee cup of we garish believe it okay gur mí agus at géisi a rééis bíling ahan aine gníflog margin ar phodchraoladh agus ahan aine ag 8 agus ar an lunar 8 go radio rira agus soon go into salt as an Jerry seachtainí. I'm gonna rebuild my pride. So, settings, but you salt.
Fun.
Bye.